Navigation is the function or ability to monitor and control the movement of a vehicle from one place to another. It relies on a series of positioning and sensing technologies. Cozmo has multiple sensors that allow him to see. With the help of these sensors, Cozmo knows how to navigate himself to his target, and he will stop whenever he's on the edge of a surface and is about to fall. In execution mode, the positions of Cozmo and the light cubes are shown on the world map. You'll see the LOS, line of sight indicator, from Cozmo to the target cube. Let's try it. Put in when feel cube, glow it green on the first line, and when see green cube, move toward it on the next line. You can command Cozmo to move to any cube you want simply by tapping that cube. Cozmo will keep pursuing the cube until he gets close enough. So if you move the cube around, he will follow it.